Hey guys, time to do a video here on the farm. There's lots of chores to do. Pop's doing her part. Just before I started filming, she was working on that stick. There's Kulika. You don't see her too much in videos because usually she's too busy and she says she's not appropriate. Maybe she's not dressed. She's dressed in her farm clothes and.
Yeah, I'm so sweaty and dirty when I'm doing things in the garden, so I just don't want to be seen that way.
Look. Just to, you thought I was lying. Pop was doing that just before I started filming. She went back to it. She's gonna work on that big stick. Look at that. Right on. So today's video is about, look at this. This is Kulika's apple garden. And it's really wild in here. And I'm gonna drive Junior in here and do some cutting. But she already did some pre-work there. What's that you did there, Kulika?
Yeah, we had this area fenced in because we wanted to keep deer out of that area to make sure they wouldn't show up on our young apple trees.
Yeah.
I only have 4 planted there so far. I have more here that we have ordered that I want to plant there. But that poplar tree is really in the way, so that has to go.
We're probably going to cut that down eventually.
One right there where the poplar tree is. And yeah, so we haven't been cutting grass here because this area has been kind of fenced in. But there were some nice black patches of clover here. And
I did some pre-cutting, yeah.
Cut out all that clover and put it on a wheel there. And
let's take a look. Yeah.
Put it in, and there is some other grass too. The clover is here underneath. I somehow got this idea that clover would make a good compost, so it's supposed to be good for mulch and like a compost, have some good... Because since my garden is mostly nothing but sand, so as you guys know, I removed all that sod and so there is just sand left, so now I have to build my soil, so that's one of these ways I can think of building the soil. I just want to use all this clover as a mulch, so we'll see what happens.
So guys, right now I'm filming on my Canon G7X Mark II and Kulika's going to use the GoPro. The GoPro from, actually I call it the Paracam now. So thank you Paraface for that and hubby.
Thank you so much, we really appreciate that. This is just beyond what we would have even imagined.
And I've been so busy in the city and stuff, haven't had time, but now I've been doing a little bit of practicing with it and like all kinds of things to learn. That's a little mighty little bugger, but you know I'm doing a bunch of settings and everything, and I don't know everything. But Kulika's going to use the GoPro to film me do this cutting, and then we'll come back to this camera later. So let's get to it. So before we get started, here's the little bugger. It's really tiny actually. It's an action camera, so that's why. And I wanted to put it on the tripod here, but it doesn't have a mount. So it came with this tripod. So she'll hold this for now. And I got to get some more mounts because I want to mount it to certain things. And if you have a helmet or something, or a bicycle or a quad or whatever, you want to put it, or a tractor there, you need some mounts. So anyway, she'll just hold this and film for now. And it's just on the basic setting. I'm just experimenting with it right now, so it's a very capable camera to do action videos, but for now we're just getting used to it. So now let's start that grass. Look at that, a big difference, guys. Not quite done. I'm going to go back in there a little bit, do a little more trimming off cam.
This area was really wild because it was fenced in and we didn't get to cut the grass here. And then I noticed there was lots of clover here, and clover is supposedly very good cover crop, like to to build up your soil. So I thought I just cut it up and put it in my garden.
So I'm gonna trim that a bit in there.
And there is my flower garden over there,
Yeah,
like that
gonna-
flower bed. I haven't really got to clean that up this year at all, so I'm gonna do that right away. And we're gonna show it to you
We'll do a
in
future,
later videos.
yeah, future video.
It looks pretty wild right now.
So that looks pretty good, guys. Lawnmower works good again. It's doing pretty good. So guys, the cutting part was done with the GoPro here. Like I said, I'm just learning how to operate it. It's not meant for that. Later on, when I get more used to it and get some more mounts, we'll try some other fun things and then change the settings and all kinds. You know, actually, I did some test footage on just for myself. I couldn't even view it on the computer. So I looked. I said, why can't I view the footage? I had to get a special codec from Microsoft. I had to pay for it. Like, that's pretty chintzy of Microsoft. They won't let you play GoPro footage like that. I guess they're not getting money from GoPro, so they want to charge for that or something. But whatever. This has a lot of capabilities, this camera, and we're going to have fun with it. But I still got to learn. So thanks again, Pearface and hubby, for giving us that beautiful gift, right,
Yeah,
Kulika?
thank you so much. We really appreciate it. It's so complicated. I'm not very good with technical stuff, so it looks like way beyond my capacities to even comprehend that. But Dennis is working on it, and I think he's getting the grasp of it slowly. So
She just wants to point and shoot.
So
No.
I guess all I know is how to press that one button and film. So I actually recorded him cutting grass. So
Yeah. There's all kinds of settings you can set.
thank you so much. I really appreciate
And
that
also,
gift.
Laurie from Ireland and hubby, thank you very much for that. She sent $50 Canadian. That's a beautiful
Thank
gift
you,
too,
Lori.
right?
Thank you, Lori. Thank you so much. We really appreciate that too.
Thank you for that. It's all appreciated. We really appreciate that, and you know that money will go to good use.
Yeah, we have so many costs involved here, like in that country living, and we need so many things. So every little bit helps. So we really appreciate you guys helping us with stuff.
And if you bugs after me, if you want to send the DVD you were talking about at Christmas, that'd be great. Go ahead. We'd like to have that. So thanks for watching the video, guys. This is on the farm channel, and I just did a video with the birds. I'll put the link below. I said that on that channel that I put the link. I'll link the bird channel if you didn't know we had that. And give a big thumbs up here if you enjoyed this, and we'll see you in the next one, guys.
See you.